Well, hello. How are you all? I am making an Instant Pot recipe with quinoa. And who likes Mexican food? That just takes a minute. You could just throw everything in your Instant Pot and it'll be ready in 15 minutes. And you could have a big salad with that. You could put it in a wrap. You could do all kinds of amazing stuff. I can't wait to show you how to make this. It's really cool. Quinoa has 2 times the fiber as other grains, and quinoa is a seed. Quinoa contains iron, B2, magnesium, manganese, and manganese is an antioxidant for your mitochondria, for your energy production, so really amazing. Quinoa is low glycemic. Quinoa is high protein with all 9 of the amino acids. Quinoa is high fiber. Quinoa is gluten-free, grain-free, and it's a seed. If you've ever seen quinoa, you want to rinse it real good. Just you have one of these, rinse it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you. Right now it's on off. I'm just going to press saute, and I'm going to just spray it with a little bit of oil just so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to saute some of my ingredients. So there it goes on. Okay, I'm going to start with my onion, and I'm using all organic. I just diced an onion, organic, putting that in here. And I have a serrano pepper. Yum, yum, really finely diced. You might have to wear gloves to dice that, because guess what? You won't feel it now, but later on tonight under your fingernails, you're going to feel that heat from that serrano pepper. So it's good to maybe wear gloves when you do the serrano pepper or jalapeno pepper. And then I have red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and then I had some sweet peppers. I had red and orange in that also. So I just put a cup for color and flavor. So this is going to start sauteing. I love the Instant Pot for sauteing. Look at this. Look at the color in there. It's so amazing. Okay, I have a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. About a 1/4 of a teaspoon. You might have to salt it again. I like to add a little bit less in case you get too much. Here's a teaspoon of organic onion powder. And here I have a teaspoon of garlic and herb organic, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of chili powder, and just a pinch of chipotle powder. Love chipotle. And I have 2 cloves of garlic, minced, ready to go. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of salsa. Whoops, keep losing my... Look at that, how yummy. It smells really good. And then I have a can of organic black beans. I'll put those in. If you made some black beans ahead of time in your Instant Pot, you could just add those. Let that go for a minute. Watch how easy this is. You are not going to believe this. So now I have my quinoa rinsed until it runs clear. Just going to mix this up real good. Okay, that's good enough. Watch what we're gonna do. Okay, I want to show you how I turn this on. Here it's ready, it's sauteing still. I'm gonna put my lid on. I'm gonna lock it. This is lifted up. I'm just gonna leave that like that. So I'm gonna do rice, and I have it for 1 minute on high. In just 1 minute, it'll just start. There it goes, it's on. It's gonna take a minute, and then it's going to have to let the pressure go off for 15 minutes, and it will be done. I want to show you. It's off. It's depressurized. And when you can turn the lid, that means it's okay. There we go. Very hot. And look at this. Look at that yummy dish. And I'm just going to take and garnish it with some cilantro. Who likes cilantro? And it's done. Okay, I want to show you. Look at that, how good it turned out.